Okay, so I noticed I ran out of time in the other video. As before, I was just explaining what coordinates are, coords. This method just returns um, this list of numbers, and each number represents where the ball is at a certain time. If I were to draw a ball on the screen, it might look something like, um, I don't know. So the left side of the ball is represented by this number. Um, this first number is always smaller than this third number because this represents the x position of the left side of the ball. This represents the right position of the ball. This number is always smaller than this number because this second number represents the top side of the ball and this represents the bottom side of the ball. So let's say when we reach 0, when the left side of the ball goes from 3 to 0, we bounce. This is where, for example, if that first, so this is actually calling that first number. It's asking, is the first number equal to or less than 0? And in this case, it was. Therefore, we told the ball, to start moving in a positive direction because initially it was moving in a negative direction, so the numbers are decreasing, and then it started moving in a positive direction, which means the numbers are increasing. We can also see this happen for the second and the fourth numbers. When the ball hits, let's say the ball hit goes from 6 to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The top side of the ball hit the top of the screen, which is where 0 is. So in this window, the top, the 0, 0 is up here. When the ball hit the top, it was going in a negative direction, so it was going up from 6 to 5. So imagine pixels. And to 0, we reach 0, and then we change to a positive direction. In the paddles case, you don't see this, but in the class ball you do, because we said if position 2, which is that second number, or if POS1, which is that second number in the list, if POS1, which is this index number, if it becomes 0, if it equals 0, the y value will change to a positive 3. And if we reach the bottom of the screen, if the bottom edge of the ball, if that fourth, which is this, if the fourth number for the third index, if that fourth number reaches 0, let me find that case here in all these numbers. I don't think I ran the program enough to see, but we can see that from 16 to 15, we started going down. So the ball started going down until we reach the 400, because that is the height of our window. So we can see 390, 393, 99, and 402, and we reached that the maximum value. So we want to turn around and go up again.